Hello and welcome to the demo. Before starting, we will look at the key roles relevant for organizing a team. Organizer. A person with this role is responsible for overall management of the account, and has complete access to all management features. Mentor. Mentor is configured by the organizer for managing a specific team. A person with this role only has the access to manage the team mentored by them. Member. This is the default role configuration for every person who accepts to join a team. The members use the app for personal growth. We will start by signing up as a team organizer. Once the sign up is complete, tap on Organize Teams. Now we can create a team. Let's call it Team 1. Once the team is created, we can tap on Manage to invite team members. We will invite 2 team members, one of them called Member 1. Will be a normal team member, and other member called Mentor, will be set up as a mentor for the team later. Both of these members will be added to team with invited status. The organizer will wait for both of these members to download and sign up on the app. It is important that members sign up with the email addresses specified on the invite. We will first look at the mentor, who will download the app and complete the sign up. Once the sign-up is complete, they will see an invite notification for joining the team. On accepting the invite, recommendations option will be made available. 2 types of recommendation sections are goals and self-analysis. Currently no recommendations have been made, so they are both empty. Recommendations can be made to a member by organizer or a team mentor. Next, we will download the app and complete the sign-up for Member 1. On completion of sign-up, Member 1 will join the Team 1. We can see recommendations option being available for Member 1, which is empty at this point of time. Now we will go back to the organizer and will manage Team 1 once again. We can see the status for both of them is no longer invited. Instead, we can see a recommend link. Tapping a link allows us to make individual recommendations for the member. An organizer can also configure a member as mentor for the team. A mentor has ability to manage the team and make recommendations. Now we will assign mentor a role to user called mentor, and a special icon will appear next to their name. Let us now make few recommendations to Member 1 as an organizer. We will recommend a goal for improving strategic thinking and a self-analysis, to determine if they are overreacting to a situation. Both of these are added with status not started. Let's go back to Member 1 and check our recommendations. As you can see, they are no longer empty. Member 1 has a goal and self-analysis recommended by the organizer. Member has an option to accept the goal and or start a self-analysis right away. We can now look at the view of the mentor for Team 1. 2 options are available for a mentor. First option is recommendations. It shows the growth recommendations made to a mentor as a member of a team. Second option, mentor teams, is only made available for members with mentor roles. They can use this option to make recommendations to other members on the team. Let's try to manage a team as mentor. We can make recommendations to Member 1. We can see goal recommendation, improve strategic thinking made previously, and learn to be organized, which was added off screen by the organizer. Both of these goals are in status not started. Let's recommend another goal, learn to say no. We will now go back to Member 1 and take a look at the individual recommendations. You can see all 3 goal recommendations. We will accept goal learn to say no. This will be added to tracker of Member 1. Let's accept one more goal. Now let's manage Member 1 of Team 1 as a mentor. We can see the status of the goals that were accepted previous is now in progress status. We see the updated status for Member 1 if we try to manage Member 1. of Team 1 as an organizer. This brings us to the end of the demo. We will now do a quick recap while looking at the screen of another organizer, with lot more teams and members. We can also see an image that describes the relationship between different roles. Please pause the video and pay close attention to the diagram on the right. Also look closely at the organizer screen on the left. You should be able to relate to the concepts already described in the demo. Data-driven dashboards is another feature that is worth noting. Dashboards provide an ability to analyze strengths and weaknesses of a team, along with the improvement recommendations. Note that dashboards show an aggregated view of team data, ensuring privacy of individual team members. Dashboards include analysis of important attributes like team player style, proactiveness, leadership, resilience, stress level, optimism, and several others. It is important to note that at least 4 members of a team have to complete the discovery for attribute before dashboard for that attribute shows up. This brings us to the end of the demo. I hope it was useful. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us in case you have any questions. Thank you.